Good Saturday morning, y'all. I'm fixing to make a casserole, sort of egg casserole, and I'm calling it the Cholesterol King. And here's what's going to be in it: hash browns, ham, Swiss cheese, mozzarella, whole bunch of sausage, but I'm going to cut the casings off of them, and I'm going to cook the sausage in a skillet. Gonna need a bunch of eggs, a casserole dish, a big dish because it's gonna take a whole lot of eggs, so just a big bowl to mix them up in. All right, let me get, first thing I'm gonna do is brown a whole bunch of hash browns, and then I'm gonna spray this with some Pam. I'm gonna line the bottom of it with hash browns. That's the first step. All right, I got the hash browns cooked up. I went ahead and cooked them all. I'm not going to use that much, but I didn't want to. I just put them in something to save them till later. So now what I'm going to do is take my dish outside and hit with some clear coat, oil base, high gloss, and I'm going to do it outside because I don't want to worry about overspray or masking anything off. So let me go do that. All right, I'm going to turn this off for now. I'm going to put just enough in here to cover the bottom. Well, I might use it all. What the heck? Well, while I got that hot, I'm going to go ahead and throw these sausages in there. I went ahead and took the casings off of them. Alright, that's it. I'm going to let these cook. In the meantime, I'm going to be preheating the oven to 350 degrees while these cook. Alright, while that is cooking, I am going to cover the hash browns with enough egg just to go over the top of them. Now, this is a dozen eggs. I don't know if it's going to be enough or what. We'll know in a minute. I think that'll work. All right. All right, and let this keep cooking. In the meantime, I'm gonna get some stuff out for this. Be right back. All right, let me show you what I got over here. Ham, glorious ham. Swiss cheese. All right, that's all we can do for now. As soon as that sausage cooks, we'll be right back. All right, I'm going to put a little bit more egg over the top of that. Well, I have just enough, so a dozen eggs is just enough. Let me go throw this in the sink. All right, the oven is preheated. I got to move you back a little bit. right. I'm thinking about 30 minutes. We'll be back in a bit. I'm going to turn this down on low and just keep it warm. All right, that is exactly 30 minutes. I do believe that's going to be enough. Let me get that out of there and get it on the stove top, and I'll show you what other kind of horrible things we're going to do to this. All right. Yeah, it's done. So now I have set the oven on broil. Now, all right, let me get that cheese out. I got to get it open, so I'll be right back. All right. Mozzarella. Okay, back in the oven in broil. I got to move you back. You're in the front of the oven. But I think I'm going to try 4 or 5 minutes. We'll be right back. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. All right, that is exactly 4 minutes. I think it's going to look pretty good. Golly, that's hot. Whew. Oh yeah, 4 minutes was perfect. All right. I'm gonna let that cool just a few minutes, so when I cut into it, all the cheese, everything will stick together. So we'll be back in about 4 or 5 minutes when it cools down some. All right, I can't wait a few minutes. Let's give it a try now. It's been like 2 minutes. I hear thunder. Oh yeah, it's all coming up. Good deal. Oh yeah, all stuck together. All right, let me cut my wife a little sliver. In case I just give her a little bit in case she doesn't like it. Let me try it. Does that not look good? Here we go. Come on, everybody stay on that fork. You're all going in my mouth, no matter how much you fight it. Oh, dear God. If they knew how good this was, it would be against the law. BC's Cholesterol King. Ham, Swiss, hash browns, sausage, mozzarella, and a dozen eggs. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right, I'm gonna put some hot sauce on this. And I may have me another slice. Thanks for watching, y'all.